I remember my humble self engineer Sam, and I want to introduce you to our company, Software Energy Academy. Software Energy Academy is the training section of Software Energy Limited, one of the leading power generation company in Nigeria. And we have impacted lives in the course of training students both online and offline. We are basically into solar system design, installation, maintenance. We do consulting services. But basically, I'm here to introduce you to our training platform, Software Energy Academy, where you learn virtually everything about the solar industry. When I say everything about the solar industry, starting from looking for prospects, how you can talk to prospects, talking about power audits, solar system design, cable sizing, how you can procure materials, how you can professionally install the solar system. We have heard of so many failed installations in the solar industry, but if you pass through Software Energy Academy, solar system failure will not be your problem. So basically, in the course of our training, we have published about 5 solar textbooks in the solar industry, and you can see with us here, solar exclusive, the secrets made simple. If you join our training platform, you see the course content, and I introduce you to this second textbook, Solar Companion, the Designer's Guide. If you join our training platform, you see the course content. These textbooks, we have it in both soft copies and in hard copies, irrespective of where you are in Nigeria and other parts of the world. We will send this textbook, the hard copy or the soft copies, to you. Then I introduce you to another textbook, Solar Companion 2. Solar Companion 2, the ABC of solar cables. The ABC of solar cables. Then we have another textbook here, Solar Exploits, the Big Boss Approach. Readers are leaders. Don't venture into the solar industry and you neglect the fact that you need reading materials apart from the training we will give you, professional training. So you need reading materials. Even if you don't get to our training, you can order for any of these books, and the prices and how you can get the textbook will be dropped in any of our training platform. We promise you this will be the best training in the solar industry you have ever attended. Check around the text below this video or around this video. You see a link. Kindly click on the link to have free access to our training platform. For more information about our training or getting our textbooks, you can always call 08067430921, or you can log into our website www.softwarelimited.com. A trial will always convince you.